Welcome and hello everybody. Today we're opening up some of the Star Wars The Force Awakens toys. We got BB-8 and the Jakku Scavengers. We got Mr. C-3PO and his best buddy R2-D2. And laying down here on the ground we got General Hux from the First Order, not looking too happy at all. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this. First we're going to start with BB-8 and the Jakku Scavengers. Okay, alright, let's bend those legs back a little bit. Get your flat feet standing straight. Almost looks like you got some shoes. And you got some sweet sticks that go with it. And of course, pretty much just got this from Mr. Little BB-8 there. And we got their net gun. Sneaky little guys trying to catch BB-8 out in the desert. Go ahead and snap the net on in. Oh, probably should have done them together. And we got the net. And we got the net going on. Now, let's go ahead and put these guns off to the side. I don't even know who's supposed to hold this. Like, what? How? You like smacking his face with it? I can't hear. No, you're not gonna stand. No? There you go. Sweet. This guy, he's gonna get his cool stick. Where you wanna hold on to your stick at? No. His feet look like they're stuck in sand or something. BB-8. Alright, next we got C-3PO and R2-D2. Sweet red arm. Poor guy. And his sweet buddy. Never leaves his side. R2-D2. I'm not sure what these are. These look like some sweet speakers. Oh, it's a gun. Who gets the gun? Oh, it's a jetpack? Some sort of gun for R2-D2's back. It should hook on right there. Oh, okay. Soft little rubber electricity. Delicately place it on. And there you go, R2-D2 now has a gun. Let's take R2-D2's gun off. Don't want him hurting anybody. Let's go hang out with their new pal, BB-8. Next up we got General Hux, always Mr. Grumpy, never happy, leader of the First Order, General Hux. At your service. Look it, he even tells you what to do when you buy his toy. Good old General Hux. Look at the dissatisfied look he has on his face. Please. Oh, he gets a jetpack. Let's let him fly. Yeah. Displeased with the scavengers, we're not able to successfully capture BB-8 before all this ordeal happened. Very disappointed in you guys. BB-8, C-3PO, R2-D2.